What if I told you some of the most common jobs in America today might not exist by the end of this decade? Not because people are lazy, not because companies are evil, but because machines don't sleep, don't take breaks, and don't ask for raises. By 2030, millions of American workers could be replaced by automation and AI. This isn't a sci-fi movie, this is already happening. And today, we're revealing the last jobs in America. Every major technological revolution has changed the way humans work. The industrial age replaced farmers with factories. The internet replaced paperwork with screens. And now, artificial intelligence and automation are replacing people with code. Some jobs will evolve, some will shrink, but some jobs are simply running out of time. Job 1. The Last Cashier. Let's start with one of the most common jobs in America, the cashier. Walk into almost any major store today and you'll see fewer humans at checkout and more machines. Self-checkout kiosks, automated payment systems, even fully cashier-less stores. For companies, these machines work 24/7. They don't call in sick, and they reduce labor costs. For workers, this means fewer shifts, fewer hours, and eventually fewer jobs. The cashier may not vanish overnight, but by 2030, the human cashier could become a rare sight in America. The question isn't if this job disappears, it's how fast. Job 2. Truck drivers and delivery drivers. America runs on trucks. Food, fuel, packages, everything. But something is quietly changing on American highways. Self-driving trucks are being tested. Autonomous delivery vehicles are rolling out. Drones are delivering packages in some cities. Truck driving is one of the largest occupations in the United States. Millions of families depend on it. But for logistics companies, automation means faster deliveries and lower costs. In the next few years, drivers may still be there, but more as supervisors than drivers. And by 2030, long-haul trucking as we know it could be mostly automated. For many drivers, this isn't just a job, it's an identity. Losing that hits deeper than just a paycheck.
Job 3. Call center and customer support. If you've ever called customer support, you've probably talked to a human. But increasingly, you're talking to an AI. Virtual assistants now answer questions, solve problems, and even understand emotions. For companies, AI support is faster, cheaper, and available 24/7. For workers, this means fewer entry-level jobs, fewer opportunities to start a career. Call centers once provided stable income for millions of people. In the next 5 years, many of those roles may be handled entirely by software. And the scary part? Most customers won't even notice when the human disappears. Job 4. Office assistants and data entry. There was a time when offices were full of people handling emails, scheduling, paperwork, and data entry. Today, AI tools can do all of that instantly. Scheduling meetings, writing emails, organizing files, processing documents. These tasks used to require entire teams. Now, one person with the right AI tools can replace 5. Office assistant roles aren't disappearing, they're being compressed. Fewer people, more automation, higher expectations. The bigger picture. This isn't just about losing jobs, it's about a fundamental shift in how America works. Automation doesn't hate humans, it simply follows efficiency. The jobs that disappear first are usually the ones that are repetitive, predictable, and easy to automate. The jobs that survive: creative roles, strategic thinking, human connection, leadership. The future doesn't belong to machines alone. It belongs to people who learn how to work with machines. What can you do? If your job is on this list, it doesn't mean your future is over. It means your future needs an upgrade. Learning new skills, understanding technology, adapting to change. The safest careers in the next decade won't be the most comfortable ones today. They'll be the ones that evolve with the future. The future of work is being decided right now. Not in 2030, not tomorrow, right now. If you want real stories about AI, automation, and how America's jobs are changing, follow Future Files USA. Because the future doesn't wait, and neither should you.